but sun won't shine. This house of lies ain't life of mine. It's not my blood, just shadows tall. A monster waits the ceiling fall. Each touch breaks shivers words like knives. My soul in you, no place to hide. Mama's eyes gone cold and black. Grandma's voice scans in my bag. Master child, that's what they say. The constant lies won't make me stay. Run in hell, you sick old man. I'll break these chains, take back my land. This ain't my home, this ain't my past. I'm cutting ties, my future's fast. They pull the strings, they twist the tail. Their web of lies made me frail. Told me I caused her last breath, but truth will bring your fucking death. They're heavy words like stones they press, but music lifts this dark distress. No more silence, no more pain. I'll scream my truth through storm and rain. Lost a child, that's what they say. The church's lies won't make me stay. Running now, you sick old man. I'll break these chains, take back my land. This ain't my home, this ain't my past. I'm cutting ties, my future's fast. They try to break me, try to win, but rhythm flows beneath my skin. The strings my light, the crowd my friend. The smell of day